That's small thing you don't owe me now. Just don't buy all this small thing.
Baba, no, I don't get money.
When they talk like this, guy, you be
no, forget it.
You be big boy, guy. Forget you. Number one, you the host morning show Nigeria FM. Everybody they tune 102.7 everywhere. That your voice they hear for money. Money show host. For Nigeria FM.
Baba, forget Nigeria FM. All those in the hype. Baba,
you be big name.
Baba, forget big boy, forget big name. I don't get money. I don't feel pay you. I don't feel give what I don't get.
That's small thing you don't owe me now. Guy, just give me this small thing.
Baba, debt na debt. I don't feel see. I know. See when I owe, I go give you. But right now, bro, I dey see my period. I dey see my message.
You want to see, I dey see what's impossible. They see your necklace.
Now they look at this thing, Papa, I know if you live up the life for Lagos, then because they give them blink. I never chop as I did. If I get money, I go. Oh God!
I swear to God, one naira no got me like I no hold anything. If money they I beg. Check my pocket, nothing there here, everything, nothing. Drop all your money, everything, nothing. Forget all this on a package.
Brother, no man, I'm gonna hello. Brother, you see that your money you talk about and I'm this.
Who you owe money?
That money what owe you now be this, so take your money. We get money.
Who you owe money? You don't owe me money. You don't owe me money.
Today now your money now be that.
You don't owe me any money. You don't owe me any money. You don't owe me any money.
Now that money owe since now don't give us.
Which money?
Father, thank you. Father,